There's nothing better than getting on the ice. The rink has a smell, the air has a crispness to it. So that's kind of the first step of feeling like you're getting back. My name is Jocelyne. I'm a gold medal Olympic hockey player. To play hockey, you have to be strong. There's a lot of physical contact within the game. You definitely have to be comfortable leading with your shoulders and getting in vulnerable positions. Being physically fit and strong is definitely a key component. I initially hurt my shoulder my freshman year in college. I was kind of in an offensive opportunity. My right shoulder was stretched out and I got hit from the back, and so it hit sublexed forward. I remember the next day how sore and painful it was, and everyday things were becoming sometimes hard.
I'm a native of North Dakota, and Jocelyne actually grew up in my hometown, so I've been following her career and her sister's career for years. When she came in, she had had multiple episodes of instability, so we worked her up then with an MRI that confirmed an anterior labral tear along with some periosteal stripping. We knew that surgery was going to be a good option for her at that time.
It was frustrating more than anything because I had been rehabbing, I feel like every day for like 4 years trying to keep it stable.
I've been using Arthrex for probably 10 to 15 years now, so I've got a great level of confidence in their products. And I think their implants and their instrumentation are very innovative, reliable, and user-friendly, and that's very important in the operating room.
Dr. Thompson's completely confident using the Arthrex equipment. They're world-class in their sports medicine work, and I guess it eases my mind knowing how the equipment works, the technology behind it, and I personally just don't know how they keep innovating. Once I had my last appointment with Dr. Thompson, I felt 100% and it felt great, it felt stable.
To be able to help her with her surgery, it was certainly extra special to see her back on the ice.
I feel very fortunate to have had such a successful story in my journey the last 3 years. I'm confident that I could go play another 10 years on this shoulder and it would hold up.
For her to recover from surgery and get back to hockey is one thing, but to be able to get back to the highest level of women's hockey, it was amazing. These athletes have such dedication and determination to get back to their sport. I mean, it's just very rewarding for me as a surgeon to be able to watch.
I'm fortunate that I was able to go in the shootout. I've practiced that move thousands of times and it worked out the way you want it to work out, the way you dream it to work out. It's a dream come true.